So again, starting with your cartridge paper and your tracing paper, if you're looking for a more organic or free-flowing design, then you can have a little look at how I have created this one. So rather than using my ruler, I am going to freehand. So I am just going to start drawing some kind of waved lines. Again, think about your placement, think about the scale or the size of your sections. So I have 4 sections here, so again you want a minimum of 4 sections, which would require you to draw 3 separate lines. Again, once I am happy with my design, I am going to mark off my corners. Again, you can spend a little bit more time on it than I am here. So I've marked off my corners. I am going to quite heavily lean on and go over my design. Again, really quite carefully. From there, you can see I have my template and I am going to flip it over. Again, match it up as best I can in my corners. Again, most importantly, focusing on that design. And again, nice and heavily leaning on there. So we want to transfer the pencil that is on the reverse side of your tracing paper onto your cartridge paper. You can see I have my design here. Again, flipping it over with each new section. Again, most important thing to make sure you've matched up is your pattern inside your colour wheel. So again, think about your design, think about the size or the scale of each of your sections. Again, you can see my design starting to take shape. So again, you can see here that I've went with a really quick geometric design, or this example here, I went with one that's a little bit more free-flowing and organic. So there's no right or wrong, it's whatever your preference may be. You might even want to have elements of both in your design, but this is where you can be as creative as possible.